Welcome to DTSC. This will be a brief description of the Office of Environmental Information Management, OEIM. Here's where OEIM fits into the organizational structure of DTSC. Under the Chief Information Officer, OEIM houses three main programs: Applications Development and Support, Customer Support, and Project Management Office. We will begin with Service Desk. The OEIM Service Desk offers a wide range of services and can be reached at 916-324-2999 or toll-free at 888-487-2490. Employees can open their own trouble tickets online from the front page of the DTSA intranet site. Look for the menu bar at the top of the page, go to Shared Services, then click on Information Technology. Service desk hours are from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Responsibilities. Take advantage of the following services offered by the Service Desk: PC desktop support and troubleshooting, printer support, data recovery, software purchases, software installation, troubleshooting and support, laptop loans, remote working and telework support, and telephones. Next, we will talk about applications development and support. What we do. Goal: provide business partners with the tools they need to efficiently and effectively accomplish their mission. Business analysis: assist management and staff in analyzing and documenting existing business processes and data flows in order to identify opportunities to improve business processes. Systems development: work with business partners to design, develop, and support custom web-based applications in order to fulfill the department's needs for managing data and sharing information. Internet support: provide development and support for department's internal, SharePoint, and external web presence. Next, we will be talking about data systems. What we do. The Data Systems Unit provides services to DTSC staff and the public for the following data systems: HWTS, that's Hazardous Waste Tracking System, and EnviroStor data systems. HWTS, Hazardous Waste Tracking System. Data Systems provides ad hoc reporting services for HWTS to internal department staff, state and local agencies, as well as public users. Examples of reports that can be generated: manifest data for a specific county or city, manifest associated with a chain of stores, or data associated with a particular industry. To request a report from HWTS, please email hwtsreports@dtsc.ca.gov. EnviroStor. The Data Systems Unit provides program business analysis and application development support, system maintenance and documentation services, internal and external user training and help desk services, and administration of website for the EnviroStor data management systems. The EnviroStor data systems consists of 4 secured databases: login required, which shares data with multiple DTSC and Cal EPA databases. EnviroStor public site. The EnviroStor public website provides the public with access to detailed information and documents on cleanup sites, permitted facilities, as well as enforcement and criminal actions taken by DTSC. The EnviroStor public website is www.envirostor.dtsc.ca.gov. EnviroStor Work Request System. The EnviroStor Work Request System, login required, allows DTSC staff to send and track requests for services to the following shared services branches within DTSC: Office of Legal Counsel, Communications Office, ECL, which is Environmental Chemistry Lab, Fees Unit, Financial Responsibility Unit, GIS, which is Geographic Information Systems Support, Geological Services, Health and Safety, OPEA, which is Office of Planning and Environmental Analysis, Toxicology, which has Human Health Risk, Ecological Risk, and radiological risk, engineering services, which has engineering services, ES financial assurance cost estimate, and unexploded ordinances, that's UXO, and collections and resolutions unit. The EnviroStor login page is www.envirostor.ca.gov.regulators. EnviroStor contact information. Email address, enviroStor.userhelp@dtsc.ca.gov. Phone number, 1-877-7-TOXICS. That's 1-877-786-9427. EnviroStor public website, www.envirostor.dtsc.ca.gov. We will now move on to customer support. What we do: technical customer support through the centralized service desk, California email system, CES support and troubleshooting, email archiving, printer support and troubleshooting, wide area, local and wireless networks, computer workstations, standard system and application software including Microsoft Windows and Office, data and application servers, and technical alerts and announcements. Workstations and servers. Workstations. OEIM provides workstations or laptops to employees. OEIM provides employees with a standard suite of software including Microsoft Office. Workstations receive updates every month. Employees must store personal work files on the K drive, which is backed up and can be restored, unlike the local workstation drives. Servers. Servers are backed up every night and backups are stored redundantly on-site and off. Server and K drive file restoration is available by contacting the service desk. Tech alerts and announcements. Technical alerts are sent to all of DTSC or affected locations to define any actions requested of a recipient. OEIM recommends all DTSC staff read and review requested actions. Tech announcements have the same format as a tech alert, but will be green, not orange in color, and designed to be informative and typically are less urgent than technical alerts. Printers. Business Services provides multifunction devices, MFDs, which are the primary solution for DTSC printing, faxing, and copying. Toner for MFDs are included in the maintenance contract. Assigned program staff can order and install toner. Additional toner can be ordered using the phone number on the MFDs. OEIM provides technical support for the MFDs. Emails. DTSC uses Microsoft Outlook and the California Email System, CES. Employees can access email off-site by typing mail.ces.ca.gov into a browser. Each individual is allocated 5 gigs of email storage. Inbox, sent, and deleted items are retained for 90 days. Messages and folders that you create separate of the inbox, sent, and deleted items are retained for 3 years. Email archiving. Employees subject to records retention or public records requests, that is, approximately 90% of employees, have email stored in an archival system called Proofpoint. Employees can log in to Proofpoint and retrieve their own email for up to 7 years at https://mail.ces.ca.gov/archive. Email and archive systems are not acceptable for records retention purposes. All employees have Adobe Pro issued to them as a part of the standard software on their PCs. Adobe Pro facilitates saving email folders as PDFs for records retention. Network. The Wide Area Network is the California Government Enterprise Network, CGEN. OEIM manages the DTSC Local Area Network. Connections to regional office are 100 megabytes per second. The name of the Cali PA wireless network at HQ is EPA-public, and it does not require a login. Wireless at regional offices is named DTSC-Wi-Fi, and employees log in with the same password they use for their workstation. Telecommuting employees can access their desktop and the DTSC resources through virtual desktop infrastructure provided upon request through the service desk. Project management. Project management process. Goal: achieve benefits from standardizing and following project management policies, processes, and methods. Functions: governance. Provide decision support for sponsors, decision makers, and stakeholders. Generate concept. Assist business units with business case development. Support. Provide guidelines to implementation teams and advice to the business units. Methodology. Develop and implement a consistent and standardized process of managing several projects according to the California Project Management Methodology, CAPMM. Training. Conduct training to improve competencies and skills of project managers and team leaders. And lastly, we have information security. What we do. The Information Security Office provides for confidentiality of information, system availability, data integrity, department information security policy, technical recovery plans, incident handling and corrective actions, and information security guidance. Policy. New employees should be aware of the following. Employees are granted access to department information and assets to perform their job functions on a need-to-know basis and must review the acceptable use policy. Employees should have no expectation of privacy as the department monitors and inspects its information technology resources. All department IT equipment is subject to inspection and possible forensic analysis or audit by the Information Security Office at any time. Loss or theft and confidential information. All lost or stolen information assets such as laptops, computers, phones, or confidential paper files must be reported to the Information Security Officer immediately. The Information Security Officer is required to investigate and file an incident report with the California Information Security Office and California Highway Patrol. Confidential, sensitive information in your possession, for example, electronic, paper documents, or information visible on your computer screen, etc., must be secured from unauthorized access, including family members and friends. Left unattended, secure the information in locked cabinets, drawers, and/or rooms. Do not leave this information unattended in vehicles or other locations where it may be stolen. Handling confidential information. State law requires written notification to California residents whenever there is a breach of unencrypted electronic data containing the following data elements of personal information: the individual's name or first initial and last name in combination with their social security number, driver's license or California ID number, account number, credit or debit card number in combination with security code, access code, password, medical information, and health information. Medical information defined as individual's medical history, treatment, or diagnosis, medical or physical health condition, health information, health insurance policy or subscriber number, application and claims history, as well as appeals records. Security awareness and the workstation. Information and security awareness training. Annually, each employee must receive information security and privacy awareness training. This is required by the statewide Information Management Manual, Chapter 5320. You will receive emails that provide instruction on completing this training. Workstation lock. All staff should ensure their workstation is locked before leaving it unattended. If information on your workstation's display and/or printed material on your desk contains confidential, sensitive, or personally identifiable information, you must keep the information secure and confidential at all times. Number 1. Lock up or shred documents. Do not leave them unattended. Number 2. Lock your workstation manually. You can press the Windows logo key plus the L key to lock your screen immediately. Email security tips. Do not respond to emails asking for personal information, passwords, or confidential information. Do not click on links or open attachments in email unless you expect the email, such as a password reset you initiated. Verify the link is known good domain, such as www.dtsc.ca.gov or known news or research organization. If you receive inappropriate or phishing emails with a request for information or asking you to click on a link or open an attachment, please right-click the message and copy it from your inbox, then paste the message into a new message with the subject possible phishing email and send it to reportspam@dtsc.ca.gov. An example of a good link. Contact information. Email address: ti_help@dtsc.ca.gov. Phone number: 916-324-2999.